JECRC, or the Jaipur Engineering College and Research Centre, Jaipur, has received an overall rating of 4 out of 5 stars by students on Shiksha.com. Let's take a look at the details of its MCA program, starting with a 4.2 star rated placements. According to the NIRF 2024 report, 100% of the 188 graduating 2-year PG students were placed in 2022-23, reflecting a significant improvement in placement rates over the past 3 years. Students shared that top recruiters include Amazon, Accenture, Capgemini, and Mahindra visited and offered roles such as software developer, database administration, graphic designer, and project manager. The highest package ranged from 9 to 10 lakh per annum, while the median package stood at approximately 3.5 lakh per annum in 2020-23, reflecting a decline in the median package over the last 3 years. Compared to the neighboring Manipal University, the median package at JECRC is lower. Regarding internships, JECRC offers opportunities through on-campus partners like Intershala, Red Hat, and TCS, as well as off-campus opportunities through Udemy, CAD Desk, and LinkedIn. MCA students share that nearly all secure internships at companies like Google, Microsoft, Wipro, TCS, and Infosys. Moving on now to the academics, where JECRC offers a 4.3 star rated MCA program with specializations in artificial intelligence and data science and cloud computing. Additional specializations are offered in collaboration with knowledge partners such as Sunstone, Symmetrics.io, Microsoft, IBM, and EC Council USA. Admission is based on requiring 60% in graduation, and the total fees is approximately 4.7 lakhs for 2 years. Switching gears to the 4.3 star rated infrastructure. 32-acre campus is well equipped with modern classrooms, a Wi-Fi enabled central library, and well-maintained labs for various disciplines. Hostel provides amenities like internet access and healthy mess meals, while the campus features sports facilities such as football, basketball, cricket, and a gym. Other facilities include a cafeteria, medical services, and a 24/7 ambulance. Turning our attention to faculty and course rated 4.2 stars. Students share that the faculty members are well qualified and use diverse teaching methods to ensure clarity in learning. For MCA programs in collaboration with partners such as Sunstone, Symmetrics.io, and IBM, these partners handle the faculty and curriculum, exams, and placements, with the university awarding the degree. JECRC's Incubation Center supports aspiring entrepreneurs, helping them turn ideas into successful businesses. In terms of industry partnerships, JECRC collaborates with giants like Google Cloud, Amazon Web Series, Microsoft, and IBM, providing students with valuable tech skills and industry exposure. Now on to the 4.4 rated campus life. JECRC offers over 20 student clubs, including cultural clubs like the Maverick Club, Abhivyakti, JU Vogue, and the Literature Club. Technical clubs include the Amazon Student Community, Microsoft Student Community, Google Crowdsource Student Community, and CoachChef JU. In addition, events such as JU Rhythm, Beats of Imagination, Freshers, Protsahan, Club Karwa, and Skillshala are organized throughout the year, fostering a vibrant campus life. Lastly, Jaipur Engineering College and Research Centre, University, is currently unranked as per the NIRF 2024 report in the management category. For more details on JECRC University and to check out thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We did like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.